Hello, Cheesy Scuffs are here. We're at the skids. Bit of a weekend full on fucking race cars. Got race cars over there. We got burnouts going on over here. Got the boy here. Watch some skids.
G'day, Cheesy Customs here. Whoops, bit of light, bit of burnouts last night, excellent racing yesterday morning. Got 2 more races today on a Sunday. Having some run for breakfast.
This is what I do on the side. I do it decent. Alright, back again, Cheesy's Customs. So this is one of the cars we look after. Tim Anderson's car. So basically my job is just to look after it, make sure he gets first place every time, which we're doing. Winning! Anyway, we had a coolant leak, so we fixed it. Done deal. So I don't think we're back on the track till about 1. So I can relax now for a little bit. Got the young guns out there in the trophy class. So hopefully they're clean, no gearbox changes, will be sweet as. So we'll keep going.